Prynhawn da a croeso I Cardiff. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff and to our 2023 graduation ceremonies. Your 2023 graduation ceremony. I'm Pat Young and I'm the chair of Cardiff University's governing body, the University Council. Over 35 years ago, I sat exactly where you're sitting today, preparing to graduate from Cardiff University. So it's a real privilege to be here today to share and celebrate this momentous occasion with you. May I offer a warm Welsh welcome to family, friends and supporters, and of course to you, our class of 2023. Today we celebrate your extraordinary achievements. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat. So I commend you not only for securing a place at Cardiff University in the first place, but also for the dedication and commitment that you've demonstrated to get to where you are today. This success is only part of your story. Many of you joined us as the full force of the pandemic was being felt. Others may have been a year or two into their studies. What we and you faced was a challenge on a level not seen since the Second World War. Throughout this difficult period, you, our students, have been quite wonderful. You have shown patience and understanding, as well as a willingness, determination and tenacity to tackle whatever has been put in front of you. For this, you should be extremely proud, because everybody at Cardiff University is certainly proud of you. We realise that for some of you, the uncertainty continues. But do not forget, your ceremony today recognises all of the hard work you have put in and the culmination of your journey with us. You leave here today knowing that you are now part of a very special family, the Cardiff University alumni community. While you've been here, you've been taught by world-leading scholars, some of the brightest minds on the planet, and now it's your turn. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you are ambitious, passionate and have a brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that that brings. For some of you, today may be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff. This vibrant, colourful and diverse city has been the backdrop to your journey through university. Of course, the charm and character of Cardiff is difficult to give up, and some of you may have already decided to stay and call Cardiff home for the foreseeable future, whether this is through work or further study. Either way, as you cross this stage in a short while, and step foot outside of the front door of this auditorium, you will be doing so as a Cardiff graduate. Cardiff University will always be your university, and so wherever life takes you, we hope that you will be a flag bearer for this great institution and carry forward our values of kindness and generosity of spirit. We ask that you stay in touch, come and visit us often, and share your experience of Cardiff with the wider world. For now, I ask that you sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and savour this moment. It is another special memory to add to your collection from your time with us, and your graduation will be something you can fondly look back on for years to come. I now have the pleasure of introducing Hannah Pearce. Hannah will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have encountered Gwyneth's work before in the form of the 6-foot-high words, thought to be literally the biggest poem in the world, on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. This poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. Hannah.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beidd i afeiddio, gwellhad o wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive. Amidst the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad I gwybodaeth. Boed hysbys I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar hyd a lled y byd fod cynhyrchiad o Brifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. Wrth ddathlu cyflawniadau rhai sydd yn nosbarth 2023, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i gyfrannu i werthoedd y brifysgol hon. Nod iddynt hwy yw ceisio drwy y cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu i sicrhau rhagoriaeth ym mhob peth ac yn boeni am ddyfodol ein byd. Gwrandewch yn awchus ar ddoethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. Nerth gwlad I gwybodaeth, a nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. We celebrate the achievement of those in the class of 2023, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek through their achievements to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Brynhawn da, good afternoon. My name is Ashley Alava Garcia, and it is a huge honour to address you as this year's Vice President Heath Park 2022-2023 of Cardiff University Students' Union. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. When we embarked on our university journey, the years we had ahead seemed like a lifetime. I am sure most of you would agree that it feels like yesterday when we started this new chapter in our lives. Saying goodbye to friends and family, and feeling apprehensive about making new friends, fitting in, and commencing our academic journey at Cardiff University. But what at the time felt like forever goes in the blink of an eye, and before you know it, you are sat here in your cap and gown, ready to graduate, and thinking about what the future may have in store for you. However, what we didn't know then is that we would be leaving Cardiff having become part of a close-knit and supportive community. When we sat down to think about what made this university so special to us, the first thing that came to mind was the community that we have built. Our student community is like no other. Whether your time at Cardiff has been impacted by being part of a society, a sports club, spending time with friends, or spending long hours in the health library, or maybe overcoming barriers, whatever those might have been, you became part of a community that has shaped your time here and will shape, if you choose to let it, your time in the future. Being an alumni of Cardiff University opens you up to a network of fellow Cardiff students, some newly graduated and some who have gone on to achieve amazing things that can help you do the same. whether it be by making the most of the rich alumni network that Cardiff has to offer, by staying in contact with your friends and peers, or by coming back and visiting the place where you had the best years of your life. The community feeling that Cardiff has given you as a student doesn't have to end today. It is something that you can take with you wherever you go. When thinking about this speech, a quote stuck out to us. What matters in life is not what happened to you, but what you remember and how you remember it. No one could have ever anticipated the journey that you have all taken to get here today. But one thing is for sure, you can be proud that you are sat here graduating as the class of 2023. I hope you all remember how far you've come and how much you've achieved at Cardiff. It has been by no means an easy ride for you all, but it has been our diversity that has got us through adversity. So, whilst the future may look daunting right now, remember this moment, take a look around, take a deep breath, appreciate how far you've come, and realise how far you can go. I hope you all go on to remember the journey that you've had at Cardiff fondly, and keep those memories close to your heart. But most importantly, please remember you will always have a home here at Cardiff. Diolch, thank you.
Gnawn da, a chroeso cynnes i'r seremoni. Colin Reardon dwi, is-ganghellor Prifysgol Cardiff. My name is Colin Reardon. A warm welcome to you all, particularly to our graduating students this afternoon. We now come to the part of the ceremony, which is the bit where the students' names are read out, which is the whole point of this afternoon. And as that happens, each student, of course, will cross the stage and you will break out into wild applause. You may wish to whoop and make lots of noise. That's the idea of it. My only plea is that you keep that short enough so that we can hear the name of the next person when that's read out. Once all the students for each group have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, I will ask them to stand, and I will then speak briefly to them in Welsh to congratulate each group on their achievements. And what I'll say is, on behalf of the university, I recognise your achievement with great pleasure. So I will now invite our presenter, Professor David Whittaker.
Rhynawn da. I'm delighted to be here today as Head of School to present the class of 2023 from the School of Healthcare Sciences. Our school is very much focused around our constituent professions, and in this ceremony we welcome graduates from occupational therapy, physiotherapy, diagnostic radiography and imaging, radiotherapy and oncology, and a range of postgraduate healthcare programs. The path to this point has not always been easy. We've managed to navigate through a pandemic, industrial action in both the NHS and the university, and what can only be described as a workforce crisis in the NHS, where the majority of our students receive the vital placement training which they need to complete their studies. It's fair to say that your time as students has been completely different to any other year group, but I speak on behalf of all the committed and truly exceptional staff in the school to say that it's been a privilege to see you grow into the soon-to-be graduates sitting here now. So the School of Healthcare Sciences provides a pivotal role in educating the workforce of the future to the obvious benefit of local and national health and social care provision. But it goes further than this, with world-recognised research addressing the global challenges of healthcare provision in modern society. Our school vision is to make a transformative contribution to excellence in health and social care through the skills and expertise of our graduates and the international impact of our research and scholarship. And we've been inspired by your hard work and commitment in making this vision a reality. So go out into the world and make a positive impact on the places you live and work. Keep in touch with the friends you've made at university. Many of these will be a support and an inspiration for you all in years to come. And of course, this is a time to acknowledge the support of family and loved ones in helping you reach this place in your lives. So thank you, class of 2023. I will now call each of you to the stage. I, Professor David Whittaker, introduce those for the Certificate of Higher Education for the class of 2023. Emma Claire Phillips. I, Professor David Whittaker, introduce those for the degree of Bachelor of Science for class of 2023. Rachel Arberg. Danny Adams. Terence Ado Mensah. Hannah Albarecki. Musammed Saima Ali. Ayushi Amin. Freya Applegate. Lawrence Apted. Ellen Grace Ashley. Alex Astenidu. Mariam Ayad. Ema Barton. Joseph Beecher. Harriet Bentley. Neela Beebe. Daniel Bodger. Louise Olive Boyd. Alex Brownlee. Hannah Buchanan. Georgia May Birchall. Shannon Cahill. Rihanna Callow. Julia Campani. Gemma Carlisle. Ethan Challenger. Jessica Chan. Martin Chow. Megan Chung. Elena Chrysostomou. Oliver Cleal. Amy Cutzio. Megan Coles. Joel Edward Cook. Caitlin Cooper. Eleanor Catherine Cope. Hannah Cotter. Lisa Jemima Cowdy. Megan Teresa Mary Crowther. Billy Curtis. Ellie Curtis. Megan Olivia Curtis. Megan Gillian Cuthbertson. Ellie Davies. Nia Davies. Rachel Davies. Sophie Davies. Naomi Alexandra Dizon. Laurie Duggan. Callum Edwards. Alice Beth Evans. Bethany Kate Evans. Jonathan Llewellyn Evans. Millie Evans. Sophie Evans. Jaime Exley. Alice Catherine Farr. Catherine Ann Farrelly. Aisha Ferhan Rasool. Lucia Fielding. Alice Fitzgerald. Jessica Fogden. Maya Fogg. Lauren Jade French. Merle Maxine Fry. Holly Gale. Lucy George. Holly Gibbs. Robbie Gibson. Leah Rebecca Gillam. Emma Gocher. Beth Goodwin. Daniel Thomas Edward Green. Katie Gregory. Sarah Jane Griffiths. Molly Grimley. Courtney Hayden. Charlotte Hadwin. Amber Hafiz. Ellen Rose Harris. Kerris Hain. Emily Kate Headley. Amy Lauren Hinchcliffe. George Hobley. Neve Hogan. Emma Alice Honey. Rachel Emily Hooker. Lily Hortop. Heather House. Lauren Hughes. Gabriella Ierson. Anna Sally Jackson. Eleanor Jenkins. Matthew Rodri Jenkins. Danielle Gilani. Laura Jane Johnson. Alia Jones. Ethan Jones. Gabrielle Mary Jones. Isak Parry Jones. Kate Langford Jones. Libby Evelyn Jones. Flinos Haff Jones. Tara Abigail Jones. Tiffany Jones. Rebecca Jowett Smith. Thomas James Kendall. Abby Kenyon. Iman Khan. Lucy Kingston. Magdalena Konopashka. Becca Kinniston. Iola Landy. Ying Tung Joanna Lau. Emma Leggett. Adam Lewis. Jessica Ling. Evelyn Littler. Timothy Littleworth. Abby Livingston. Veronica Lovett Fraser. Sarudzai Delilah Macheva. Hannah McGill. Mackenzie Mainwaring. Letitia Nyasha Malone. Sophia Eleanor Niamala Maru. Sarah Marsh. Dominic James Marshall. Charmian Rose Martin. Orla Mason. Hannah Rose McCann. Laura Frances McCann. Imogen McClellan. Ella McCluskey. Ruth McDonough. Shifra McGee. Victoria Meeklem. Corey Melly. Juliet Menue. Isabel Miles. Rhiannon Miller. Rose Minsher. Veronica McCurchan. Georgina Monaghan. Cherry Morgan. Ruby Jo Morgan. Scott Morgan. Emily Mole. Tando Umbofu. Wendy Mugaza. Molly Muir. Isabel Mullen. Catherine Murphy. Rebecca Murray. Naima Musa. And Harrod Morford Nash. Dervla Neenan. Miles Nerry. Head Nicholas. Sophie Elizabeth Nichols. Lucy Marie Nodder. Laura May Offer. Isabel Charlotte Olney. Oluchi Onyeka Harris. Alice O'Reilly. Sime Osula. Hannah Lee Owen. Kyla Owen. Ella Payton. Harry Payne. Ava Pender. Daniela Phillips. Daisy Plaister. Luke Pollock. And Harad Grace Porter. Lewis James Potter. Laurie Howell Williams. Emma Louise Powson. Ewan Robert Preddy. Mark Prentice. Isabel Lucy Price. Victoria Purton. Sian Bethany Pine. Lydia Jade Ravenhill. Emily Rayner. Eleanor May Webb Reynolds. Sarah Leanne Reynolds. Celia Richard. Vicky Leanne Richards. Sebastian Ripley. Hannah Roberts. Jack Roberts. Zoe Roberts. Eleanor Rose Roberts James. Amy Lily Robbins. Ellie Robinson. Oliver Rock. Edith Rowlands. Laurie Samuel. Jasmine Caroline Shinley. Molly Short. Emily Smith. Lucy Smith. Mikey Smith-Lewis. Leah Sola. Leah Solomon. Louise Abigail Southall. Pippa Southern. Lucas Speed. Lucy Rebecca Spittles. Isabella Skew. Katie Steer. Lauren Stevens. Martina Stepien. Abby Faye Stidover. Connor Stone. Fionn Sullivan. Emily Sumner. Fionn Olivia Target. Freya Tasker. Mazida Thamina. Hannah Lee Thomas. Matthew Thomas. Nadine Thomas. Victoria Thomas. Isabel Thorns. Bethan Sarah Tredgett. Kerry-Ann Trokes. Annabelle Upshaw. Maria Chiara Volpe. Hermione May Walker. Beth Jane Wallace. Tom Wallace. Georgia Walton. Jasmine Joy Ware. Molly Wateridge. Sean Waters. Naomi Wild. Becca Williams. Isaac Joseph Williams. Kerry Williams. Megan Nia Williams. Melissa Daisy Williams. Samuel James Williams. Stevie Williams. Gloria Wojnowska. Marcus Wood. Eve Workman. Louise Worsley. Erin Wykes. Leah Ann Yardley. The Vice-Chancellor will now confirm the achievements.
Will all those who have just crossed the stage please stand? Ar ran y Brifysgol, rwy'n cydnabod eich cyrhaeddiad gyda phledr mawr. Llongyfarchiadau Lee. Congratulations! Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
I, Professor Ian Weeks, introduce those for the postgraduate certificate for the class of 2023. Johnny Cartwright. Stephen Andrew Foster. Fong Ying Hammer. Anna Ham. Kimberly Ann Louise John. Sophie Kibler. Sean Morgan. Stefan Chris Samuel. Thomas Wynne. I, Professor Ian Weeks, introduce those for the postgraduate diploma for the class of 2023. Sophie Arnold. Claire Baker. Tiffany Blanford. Beth Andor. Kerry Allison Edmonds. Bethan Futcher. Andrew Graves. Stephanie Hall. Phoebe Fleur Klawinski. Elizabeth House Newton. Rebecca Orden. Nicolaus Triantis. Lewis Wharton. I, Professor Ian Weeks, introduce those for the degree of Master of Science for the class of 2023. Anna Marie Ola Adamson. Basma Al-Humadi Alanzi. Ilham Al-Asari. Nasa Al-Fair. Mahanad Ali Al-Madya. Sail Al-Hafi. Mariam Salem Al-Jumai. Sarah Aid Al-Kiranj. Dalal Al-Tabi. Amal Ahmed Jabbar. Asma Abdulmalek Al-Talia. Florence Tetele Amway. Fatima Al-Veab. Rajuta Vivek Apte. Marushka Barbosa. Siba Barodalawala. Marie-Therese Batzel. Alistair Graham Bell. Saski Bardwaj. Abdul Ella bin Umay. Calvin Bladen. Rodvika Assel Bokil. Martin James Burrows. Mei Chan. Karina Chawan. Prithvina Dada. Asavari Anand Dodapka. Paranjavita D'Souza. Sefra Marielle D'Souza. Jodie Olivia Evans. Aisha Fahim. Catherine Louise Fishlock. Jaya Gautam. Prajakta Praful Garat. Sai Gobol. Ushma Gore. Rani Mahmood Ibrahim. Pooja Jain. Panyaja Jani. Joanna John. Cara Louise Jones. Supam Kanchanti Joshi. Fatima Yusuf Habira. Mispa Vitakalangi. Aditya Anand Kaurburgi. Ms. Bijal Parilia. Saili Pehe. Tashana Tanaji Kendra. Aditya Parakumar Kamar. Arzu Anwar Afrin Khan. Tanya Golwani. Helen Louise Langford. Sapada Shri Hari Macha. Renali Harash Dina Makwana. Kira McCready. Iman Hassan. Madhika Murray. Saksi Kaya. Elijah Ozkan. Karatike Pantange. Nachanan Paradicha. Shivani Dilip Patil. Akanksha Paidnaka. Aisha Shahina Pir. Gitanjit Mead Patan. Shruti Prahesh. Riya Raja. Ucha Sandeep Rajopadai. Suhaib Rambo. Anjali Grau. Roma Manish Rabaila. Hazel Rebello. Shahad Siddiqui. Ashima Saidi. Sharon Jikur Saini. Anita Chapse Santa. Siddharth Sankar. Deepika Safai. Tanvi Narendra Sita. Simran Narendra Sawant. Juhi Neela Shah. Karan Shah. Kamal Shah. Peter Shetty. Kavya Milin Shetty. Marunalini Shukla. Caitlin Kirlian Shater. James Smith. Pranjal Prakash Sonawani. Bavashi Viren Gita Soneji. Sanshan Su. Mohammed Zaki. Hetakshi Thakar. Ashka Sanjay Thakar. Jessica Thomas. Rituja Upika. Cynnal Farma. Riel Hora. Ki Shao. Jean Angel. The Vice-Chancellor will now confirm the achievement.
Would the students who've just crossed the stage please stand? Ar ran y brifysgol, rwy'n cydnabod eich cyrhaeddiad gyda phleser mawr. Longyfarchiadau Lee. Many congratulations. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in return. I, Professor Ian Weeks, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Amani Arnamkarkani. Gabriel Gilbert Niashaku Ashon. Bethan Meyer Edwards. Elizabeth Mary Evans. Akushla Grafniak. Gerrit Albertus van Dijk. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Oh, will our Doctors of Philosophy please stand? Ar ran y brifysgol, rwy'n cydnabod eich cyrhaeddiad gyda phleser mawr. Longyfarchiadau Lee. Congratulations. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Could all those students that have studied any aspect of healthcare please stand if you're able for the reading of the oath? Thank you.
I will now declare the oath first in Welsh, then in English, and I will ask you to agree to the terms of the oath at the end. Y ddawaf mae fy mlaenoraeth cyntaf fydd I gofalu am fy nghleifion. Byddaf yn garedig gyda pob claf ac ymdrechaf I gyfathrebu yn y ffeithlon gyda nhw. Byddaf yn parchu urddas a'i preifatrwydd a'i hawl I gyfrannu'n llawn a benderfyniadau ynglŷn â'i gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn dibynadwy pob amser ac yn parchu a diogelu gwybodaeth gyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy nghyfrifiadau personol yn amharu ar ofal fy nghleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfyngiadau fy ngymhwysedd, byddaf pob amser yn diweddaru fy ngwybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os bydd gennym reswm da I gredu nad oedd I, neu gydweithwyr yn addas I weithio, byddaf yn gweithredu'n gyflym I diogelu cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camdefnyddio fy sefyllfa proffesiynol, byddaf yn gweithio gyda cydweithwyr yn y ffordd orau ar lles y cleifion. Yn y holl fateron hyn, ni fyddaf byth yn gwahaniaethu'n anheg yn erbyn fy ngleifion nam cydweithwyr, a byddaf yn barod I gyfiawnhau fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mhob achos. Roddaf yr addewid yma ar fy llw yn wirfoddol ac o ddifrif. I promise that I will make the care of my patients my first concern. I will be considerate to all my patients and I will strive to communicate effectively with them. I will respect my patients' dignity and autonomy and their right to be fully involved in decisions about their care. At all times, I will be honest and trustworthy, respecting and protecting confidential information. My personal beliefs will not prejudice the care of my patients. Recognising the limits of my competence, I will keep my professional knowledge and skills up to date. If I believe that I or a colleague may not be fit to practice, I will act quickly to protect patients from risk. I will not abuse my professional position, and I will work with colleagues in ways that best serve patients. I will never discriminate unfairly against patients or colleagues, and I will always be prepared to justify my actions to them. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honour. Os ydych yn cytuno a ddylerau'r llw, dwedwch ydwyf. If you agree to the terms of the oath, say, I do.
Okay, the end is in sight. Congratulations. You are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community of over 210,000 graduates worldwide. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles, others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. Cardiff will have given you more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. You've shown willingness, determination and spirit, the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, of memories. We hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Before we close the ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition we need to uphold. Because whilst today is all about your achievement, it's not something you've done on your own. You have been supported by your family and friends throughout your degree, and so now can I ask all of the new graduates to stand, if you can. Now then, everybody in the hall made a great deal of noise for you. I'm now going to ask you, in a Cardiff University way, to reciprocate and make a significant amount of noise for our friends and families and people who've helped us along the way. Over to you. Okay. That wasn't bad. But we had pharmacy in there this morning, and they made much more noise, and there are far fewer of them. and we know how much you love pharmacy. So, can we now do that again? Now that we've done the practice, can we really say thank you for our friends and families? Let's hear it. Let's raise the roof. That's much more like it, graduates. Take a seat. Now, to close our celebrations, here is a film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy it. And at the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you and congratulations once again. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? Class of 2023. Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheers. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfel barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r darllediadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont yng Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau bob cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives. A network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmod nes bod ni'n folly. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto high lefryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have that in team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30, 40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, camgymeriadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.